Right, guys, just want to be getting into the technicals of Bitcoin. Just gonna get into the charts, break it down to just kind of give you guys a base understanding. Just share how I see the charts, what I see. A lot of people are like, oh, Bitcoin's gonna crash. I'm saying cryptos will boom. So it's just like, why am I saying cryptos will boom? Yeah, and why are people saying cryptos will crash? So let me elaborate why I think crypto. Here's here's why I think crypto will boom. Yeah. So let's get into the technicals. So based on, let's get a Fibonacci if I can find it. Drop that right there. Boom. So real quick, one sec. Just gotta get my song. So if we zoom out from this Fibonacci sequence, you can see right here. Boom. Yeah. So price has respected the Fibonacci. Currently testing 23.6. We did actually hop into the zone right in between 23.6 and 0 of structure, but we have not actually broken structure, yeah? Price has actually come down. This is actually, so we drew the Fibonacci sequence right off here, yeah? So off this retracement, so price has rejected off 61.8, come back down, respected structure has not quite come up, and so now has opened up here. So since the candle is bullish right here, if if it continues up, it can expect this buy to go up into these levels based off Fibonacci and just how the sequence rose, correct? But often a lot of people are explaining the Bitcoin short trade because we are in this support zone, right? And a lot of people think that Bitcoin will break this structure and head to the downside, right? To make this big ol' M pattern, yeah? But what we see is we see some things a little bit differently from a lot of people, yeah? So we can see that this is the low right here of structure, and then this wick comes close to the low, but it doesn't quite break the low, right? It actually respects the low. This kind of opens bullish, wicking off. Note the wick, right? A big wick. If we actually go into the weekly chart, you can see that this things a little bit more clear, things a little bit more up close. So what we expect after this wick right here is for price to come back and return to this level, break structure right here, continue going up. Yeah? Pretty simple stuff. But that's why a lot of people are looking for shorts because we are in this area, and I would actually take a short if we do break, retest, and continue down. I'll take a short trade right there, but as far as I can see, I don't see that happening. What we do see is a retest into, we have a bound into the structure, we came back up, we came into the structure, came back up, retesting, and now we're coming back to the upside. So just wanted to share that with you folks. Those are the higher time frames, so these are going to be a really long time. These are years and years and years. So that's just why that's just my view of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. I see crypto going up into its higher levels and essentially going to the 30,000 areas up here as opposed to breaking short. So that's just based off structure, technicalities, the analysis. With that said, hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Aloha.